Welcome, in front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the workout menu, and here you have a list of workouts you can start. Find the workout you would like and then tap on it. Then you will see this page, and here you can see the GPS, the heart rate if it's detected. If it's gray and blinking, it means that the watch is not detecting the GPS and the heart rate. Well, it won't reach the GPS signal right here where I am, and the heart rate is not being detected because I'm not wearing the watch. But it should work with you, for you rather, if you're outside and you're wearing your watch on your wrist. Next we have the settings, and here you can change the settings for the navigation. You have different types of navigation. You can enable the SUUNTO Plus. Then we have the exercise options, and here you can change the settings for display. So we have brightness and always on display, map, how it behaves, or how it's being displayed rather. Then we have the battery mode, you have performance, endurance and stuff like that. Intensity zones. You can set the target zone basically for the intensity. There we have targets. You can change the target or set the target for duration, distance. And then we have the GPS, you can disable it or enable it. The wrist HR, you can enable it or disable it. Then the climb guidance, I believe you can enable or disable the notifications for it and the grade value. Then you have the intervals, you can set them or enable them and then set up them. And then we have the auto lap, you can enable it or disable it. Auto pause, do not disturb mode during the workout. The voice feedback, you can enable it or disable it. We have media controls, you can enable them or disable them, and the feeling at the end of the workout. And once you're done with the settings and you decide to start the workout, you can press the crown button to start it. As you can see, it tells me that it can detect the GPS signal, but it won't, so I'm gonna tap on dismiss or rather press the lower button. But if you're sure that you should receive the GPS, you can try again by pressing the upper. Anyway, the workout started, as you can see, and what we can do during the workout. We can use the buttons only because the touchscreen is usually disabled. And the lower button makes a lap. The middle button allows you to scroll through the different data pages. So we have the first one with the time, distance, and I believe the heart rate. Then we have the elevation. Then we have the map. And we have the music controls. If you're playing some music on your phone that is paired with your watch, you can control it here. The upper button allows you to pause the workout and unpause it. Also, if you pause the workout, you can press this button, which allows you to open this screen. And here you can end the workout, open the control panel, so the settings, or discard the workout completely, not save the settings for it. What else? No, go back. Oh no, I ended it. Okay, so once you end the workout, you will see this option, the feeling option. If you didn't disable it, then you can select how you felt after the workout or how was it. And then you will see the summary of the workout, and you can check the data right here. And what you can do is to either press the back button to go back, or press delete if you don't want to save the data and remove it. Okay, and I believe that's all. That's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.